Good afternoon. In this video, we will discuss Learning Standard 1-4 from the new New York State Science Learning Standards. This standard states that we should develop a model that predicts and describes changes in particle motion, temperature, and phase of a substance when thermal energy is added or removed. The picture below shows the particle nature of solids, liquids, and gases. When energy is added to any of the three phases, the particles begin to increase their kinetic energy as heat is added. This increase in kinetic energy causes them to move faster and therefore change their state. In the solid, when heat is added, the particles move faster and become less attached to each other. As they move faster, they break apart and become the liquid, which are still attached but less tightly held together. When energy is added to liquids, they begin to move even faster and break apart from each other and become a gas. The opposite happens when you remove energy. When energy is removed, the temperature goes down and the kinetic energy also decreases. This means that they are moving slower, and therefore when they collide, they are more likely to stick together. As particles in a gas slow down and collide, they do not have as much energy, so they therefore cannot separate after a collision. This causes them to bunch up and become a liquid that are more connected to each other than the particles of a gas. As it continues to lose energy, the kinetic energy and temperature continue to decrease, and the particles continue to bump around with each other. When the kinetic energy gets too low where they can no longer separate, they become stuck together and vibrate and transition into a solid.